The Checklist module allows you to create useful checklists and arrange them into organized categories. Build custom checklists for users to track their progress while performing different tasks, procedures, preparedness steps, and more. Check content is saved, and it can be viewed by users after the app is closed and relaunched. So let's get started adding a checklist. Start by selecting Checklist from the main menu on the left, and then click Create in the top right corner. In the pop-up window, provide the category name and description in the appropriate boxes and press the Create button. Your new category will automatically appear in the main checklist menu. Now you can add a new checklist within your category. In the main checklist menu, double-click the category to which you want to add a new checklist. Within that category, click Create in the top right corner. In the Details window, you'll see two tabs, Information and Create. In the Information tab, provide your checklist title and a brief description. In the Create tab, provide a section title and description in the appropriate boxes. Then, in the List section, start building your checklist. Click on the blank List Item section to add a new checklist item. You can only add one checklist item at a time. Press the Return key on your keyboard to add a new text box underneath the last checklist item. You can create a sub-bullet under the checklist item by pressing the Tab key on your keyboard. To delete the sub-bullet, press Shift and Tab. To add another section to your checklist, click on the Add a Section box at the bottom of the page. You can also use the plus and minus icons in the top right corner of each section to add a new section or delete the current section. Follow the previously mentioned steps to create a new checklist within this section. If you'd like to move a section, let's say you want to place the last section first, simply click the arrows at the bottom right of that section and from the drop-down list, select where you would like it to go. Once your checklist is complete, click Publish in the top right corner of the screen. And you're done! Your new checklist is published and accessible by app users. It will instantly appear in the Checklist module of your app. You can edit or delete your checklist category at any time. Simply go to the main checklist menu, select the resource category you want to edit or delete, and click on the three dots in the far right of that row. To edit a checklist category, select Edit from the drop-down list. Edit the name and description information and click Update. To delete a checklist category, select Delete from the drop-down list and click Delete in the pop-up window to confirm your selection. Please note, deleting a category will delete all the checklists saved within that category. Similarly, you can edit or delete a specific checklist at any time. Within the checklist category, select the specific list you want to edit or delete and click on the three dots in the far right of that row. To edit a checklist, select Edit from the drop-down menu and update your information in the Details page, as discussed earlier. Click Publish when you're done. To delete a checklist, select Delete from the drop-down menu and click Delete in the pop-up window to confirm your selection. You can also copy or move a checklist to another category. To copy a checklist, select Copy To from the drop-down menu. Then, choose the pre-existing checklist category to which the list should be copied to and click Copy to confirm your selection. Note that copying a checklist will duplicate it within another category. It will not remove the checklist from its original category. To move a checklist, select Move To from the drop-down menu. Then choose the pre-existing checklist category to which the list should be moved to and click Move to confirm your selection. Note that moving a checklist will remove it from its original category and relocate it to another.